Eric Prince Trump recolonization model stands as follows: use the CIA to groom local terrorists, add foreign mercenaries, weapons, drugs, propaganda, and mix. They're uploading it in Haiti, in the Congo, and the plan is to take over the territories that Eric Prince had identified. All right? So they create the problem, which will serve as justification for their invasion. They are getting paid for it, and then they take over. And now, why Haiti? Why Venezuela? Beyond the ideological ramifications, obviously, Venezuela is a country that has adopted socialism since Chavez.